Hey GoPro, it's me, Dill. Today is a big day. You get a new brother. Brother or sister?
Sister.
Oh, there she is. Was it hard to push her out?
Yeah. She was a 9-pounder.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I didn't have an epidural or anything.
Okay. Oh, no, don't rip it. Look, just open the bottom. I got it. You film me opening it.
No.
Oh. Hey, chill out. Just cut this. Oh my god, girls are so stupid. That's when you know they don't deserve their own GoPro.
Dylan, I bought mine, unlike you.
Now you pop that open. There you go. Debbie and Casey are going to McCarthy to get a MacBook.
See, I inspired them. Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Babe, I can't get it. Oh my god. Okay.
Yes, I'm so stoked. There you go, just pull it around. There you go.
I'm not that retarded.
Dude, that's how you act. Like when you know more about something than I do, you're like, this. Look how clean it is.
I know.
Just open the box. It's like on top of the box.
Oh.
Well, this is what's inside of the GoPro unboxing.
Unboxing of the GoPro.
We're gonna go GoPro HD Hero 3 unboxing. Okay, so first off, you come with two mounts. One's a flat mount, one's a curved mount. We did a lot of research on this before we got it. Next, you got your micro USB. Now this is this does a lot of stuff. It charges the GoPro. Yeah. Now this right here, it comes with plethora of mounts. You got the mount, it's a tall mount, okay, and then you also got a mount that pivots. It's called a pivotal mount. You know. Next, we got the battery. It comes with a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. That's what the micro USB is for, and to put videos on the internet. Now this is what comes on the back of it. It's got holes in it. It's not waterproof, but it's better for the sound quality of the video. HD video, high quality. Then the big Mambo Jambro, the GoPro, the Bada Boom Ba Bing, the cream of the crop, the head honcho, the sharpest tool in the shed. Stare down your maker. Oh, then doesn't come with the micro HD disc. So what you gotta do? You gotta go out and buy one.